Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to check if Hyper-V is enabled on your Windows machine. I'm excited to walk you through this step by step because Hyper-V is a powerful tool for running virtual machines, and it's essential for developers, IT pros, or anyone diving into virtualization. Whether you're prepping for 2025's tech updates or just troubleshooting, this guide will get you sorted in no time. First things first, what is Hyper-V? It's Microsoft's native virtualization platform that allows you to create and manage virtual environments directly on your PC. But before you start using it, you need to confirm if it's already enabled. Let's jump right in with the easiest method. Method 1. Using Windows settings. Start by opening the Start menu and searching for Turn Windows Features On or Off. Click on that, and a window will pop up showing a list of features. Scroll down until you find Hyper-V. If there's a check mark next to it, congratulations, it's enabled. If not, you can enable it from here, but we'll cover that later. Method 2. Via Command Prompt. For a more technical approach, open Command Prompt as an administrator. You can do this by right-clicking the Start button and selecting it. Once open, type System Info and press Enter. Look for the section on Hyper-V. If it mentions that a hypervisor is detected, Hyper-V is active. Method 3. Using PowerShell. If you're comfortable with PowerShell, open it as an administrator and run the command get-VM. If this command executes without errors, Hyper-V is enabled and ready to go. If Hyper-V isn't enabled, don't worry. Head back to the Windows Features window, check the box for Hyper-V, and restart your computer. It's that straightforward. There you have it, folks. You've now got the skills to check for Hyper-V quickly. This process might vary slightly with future Windows updates in 2025, but the basics stay the same. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.